when we talk about website, whether you are buying a website for designing a website for blogging or funnels or sales page or affiliate page, you're going to require hosting, which is a memory on cloud, okay, where your websites and files can be stored. It's called hosting, and all the, it can provide you hosting services. And second thing is domain. You need a domain, whether it is .in, .com, or whatever it is, okay? So we're gonna require both domain and hosting, which is gonna cost you anywhere from 4,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees per year if you're in India. If you're in other countries, it's gonna cost you, in USA, it's a $40 to $50 per year. So that's a per year, not even a month. And I think many people can afford this 4,000 per year, okay? It's just, 40 times pizza, I guess. But you have a chance if you use my affiliate link in the description, to get additional 2,000 discount in the first year. Okay, so you're gonna get both domain and hosting for 2,000, for just 2,000 rupees.